I don't know if you can see them. Can you see them over there? That's the fireworks going. They're going. I want to show you this view. 360-degree mountains. I'm on the hill. There's mountains behind me as well. Those are all mountains there. See the fireworks through the gate? Just want to say happy 4th of July to my family. Drinking a soda out here. Wishing I was with my family. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Just enjoying this view up on this hill. Look how high I am up here. I am all the way up on the hills. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.